Hello everyone and welcome back. We have here Thomas from Talsec and you are one of the partners here at Flutter Firebase Festival. And I have some questions prepared for you and I hope you could answer them very quickly for me. What did you most enjoy at the Flutter Firebase Festival so far?
Hi Max, nice to see you. So this year is like a second year for Talsec where we can show our products and technologies to the outer world. And I'm really pleased to see how many people acknowledge our hard work in the field of mobile security and that people actually use our products to secure their apps, and people are visiting our booth to say and thank us because we helped and protected their apps, and they are really thankful for that, and we are thankful that we could help their cause and protect them.
So fantastic. How did Talsec actually engage with the community here at the Flutter Firebase Festival?
So we normally prepared some speech and some webinar. So we first wanted to show that we know our work, and we wanted to show the community that doing the security is quite possible and easy, and we wanted to maybe motivate community to visit our booth and to learn actually the part of security they can do themselves, so they can get better at security, so the community will actually provide a better experience and a more secure and safer world to their users.
Fantastic, thank you. So what motivated Talsec to join the Flutter Firebase Festival in the first place?
That's quite simple question. Talsec is based in Czechia, so it's actually our homeland, so we are at home and we are hosting this event at the nicest city of our Czechia, so Prague. It's exciting to see so many great Flutter developers over there.
Fantastic. Yeah, okay. If it's a hometown, that makes obvious sense that you are here then. So how important do you think is this event? Because it is now very special and the first time that we have something like this, right? The Flutter and Firebase community combined. So how important do you think is that they are now combined together here at the Flutter Firebase Festival?
So this joint conference actually is really beneficial because I think that this can join really well two worlds, like the backend side of people who know how to work with the backend sides, like do databases, do APIs correctly, authentication and other stuff, and people who work on more front-endish side, like who can actually do something which looks nice. And I think that this collaboration is essential. So I think that this is a really perfect idea to combine these two worlds, and I really appreciate that.
Thank you very much. So another question, the organizers here always want to learn and improve and so on and so forth. So what would you give as feedback to the organizers for future events?
So technically I really love everything Invertase and other organizers did, because this conference has no issues. Everything runs correctly, everything works, and people love games over here. So I have no complaints. Thank you for doing your job. You did it great.
Yeah, thanks Invertase for having us here. It's fantastic, really. The food is great. So is there anything that you would like to tell the attendees of the Flutter Firebase Festival?
So first, I love that you are here. I love that you thought that this conference is beneficial for you, so that's maybe the reason why you joined. And I would like to ask you maybe try some free RASP, which is free, and protect your application and give your users a reason to trust your brand.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for the short interview, and I see you later.